After working with over 3,000 businesses running affiliate programs, here is the uncomfortable truth. Growth does not stall because of affiliates. It stalls because of decisions made inside the program. I have seen programs with great offers, strong brands, and plenty of traffic barely move. And I have seen much smaller programs outperform them with fewer affiliates and less exposure. The difference is not luck, it is execution. In today's video, I'll break down the exact mistakes that stop affiliate programs from scaling. Not theory, not edge cases, but the problems I see over and over again in underperforming affiliate programs, and how to fix them before your best affiliates move on to someone else. The first mistake that holds programs back is commission structures that look reasonable but fail to motivate action. Most companies choose commissions based on what feels fair or what competitors are paying. Affiliates do not think that way. They think in terms of return on effort. The fix is simple but often skipped. You start with lifetime value, you subtract real costs, and you decide what you can pay while still winning. When commissions are built on real numbers, affiliates feel the difference immediately. Momentum follows. The second mistake is running the program on the wrong infrastructure. This one is massive, and it usually shows up after growth slows, not before. Many programs start with spreadsheets, manual tracking, or tools that were never designed to scale. At first, everything feels manageable. Then the numbers stop lining up. Affiliates start asking questions, payouts take longer, and reporting becomes unclear. Once trust starts to crack, performance drops fast. Affiliates will not push hard for a system they do not trust. This is why the affiliate management tool matters so much. You need accurate tracking, clean partner management, automated payouts, and clear reporting. This is where tools like Trackdesk come in. Trackdesk lets you manage affiliates in one place. You can approve partners, control commission rules, and organize programs without juggling spreadsheets or inbox threads. It tracks conversions accurately across clicks, leads, sales, and recurring events. Affiliates can clearly see what they are getting credit for, and you can trust the data without second guessing it. Trackdesk automates payouts based on the rules you set. That means no manual calculations, no late payments, and no awkward conversations with affiliates about missing commissions. And it shows you exactly who is driving revenue. Not just traffic or clicks, but real performance, so you know which partners to scale and which ones to cut. When affiliates trust the system and teams have visibility, programs finally scale. The third mistake is not giving affiliates real support. Most programs give affiliates a link and call it a day. That forces affiliates to guess. Guess the angle, guess the messaging, and guess what actually converts. When affiliates need to guess, quality drops. Messaging goes off brand, and performance stays inconsistent. The fix is treating affiliates like a sales channel, not a traffic source. That starts with giving them clear positioning. Who this product is for, who it is not for, what pain it solves, better than alternatives. Then you give them examples, a landing page that converts, a short pitch that works, an email angle that drives clicks. One simple action step here is creating a short affiliate playbook. Not a long document, just a one-page doc on what to promote, how to talk about it, and what results to expect. When affiliates have clarity, effort goes down and output goes up. That is how average affiliates turn into top performers. Mistake number 4 is recruiting the wrong affiliates. This usually starts with good intentions. Teams chase volume. All they want is more affiliates on the dashboard. So they approve almost everyone. They start slipping. Coupon sites with no audience. Influencers with zero relevance. Blogs that will never convert. What happens next is predictable. Traffic goes up, but conversions stay flat. And the program looks busy without actually growing. The fix is changing how you define a good affiliate. A good affiliate already influences your ideal customer. They already create content that your buyers trust. They already recommend tools like yours naturally. A simple action step here is this. Before approving an affiliate, ask one question. Would I want my brand mentioned on their site or channel, even if there was no affiliate link? If the answer is no, do not approve them. Another practical move is starting small. Manually recruit 10 highly relevant affiliates instead of approving 100 random ones. Those first 10 partners will often outperform the rest of the program combined. Mistake number 5 is letting affiliates promote the wrong thing. This happens even in well-run programs. Affiliates default to what is easiest for them to promote, not what is best for your business. They push discount angles when you want premium customers. They send traffic to generic homepages instead of high-intent pages. They optimize for clicks when you need qualified conversions. The result is traffic that looks good in reports but never turns into real growth. The fix starts with being intentional about what affiliates should promote. You need to decide what action actually matters. Is it a specific plan, a specific product, a specific type of lead? Then you design the program around that outcome. One trick I've seen work really well in these cases is controlling destinations. Instead of letting affiliates link anywhere, give them 1 or 2 high-converting pages built specifically for affiliate traffic. Another high-impact move is aligning commissions with the outcome you want. Pay more for qualified leads. Pay more for higher value plans. Pay less for actions that do not turn into long-term customers. When affiliates are rewarded for the right behavior, promotion fixes itself. You stop getting random traffic, and you start getting partners who drive real revenue. Here's the main takeaway. If your affiliate program is underperforming, the answer is not more traffic or more affiliates. It is fixing the system behind the program. If broken tracking, manual payouts, or poor partner management are slowing you down, start with the right infrastructure. Tools like Trackdesk exist for exactly this reason. You can get started with a free trial using the first link in the description below. If this video helped you spot issues inside your own program, like and subscribe, and watch the next video on screen if you want to continue to learn how to scale your affiliate program the right way. See you in the next one.